Okay, this is mostly for my friends back in Michigan. A little bit of snow porn from the east end of Long Island on this blizzard. It's about 4 o'clock, and it's been snowing since 8 this morning, which is really not a big deal if you're in Michigan, but out here it's kind of everyone's in lockdown panic mode. Here's Iggy out in the snow. And this is my street. The street behind me is 27. That's the highway that goes out to Montauk, all the way out the south shore of Long Island. And this is my street, which isn't plowed or anything, of course, yet. This is the graveyard. And it's really not horrible, but I'm not sure if you can hear how windy it is. Since the wind is coming from the north, the ocean hasn't been very loud today. Mostly you just hear the wind through the trees. So anyway, after about 8 hours of snow, here's where we are. Obviously Iggy is very excited.